Dealing with BMW fault code P1385, this error points to an issue with a knock sensor for circuit, which plays a key role in detecting engine knock and maintaining performance. In this video, we'll explain what the code means, explore common causes, and guide you through the steps to fix it. Knock sensors detect unusual vibrations caused by pre-ignition or detonation, and the ECU adjusts ignition timing to prevent engine damage. P1385 is specific to the knock sensor circuit monitoring cylinder bank 4. It indicates an electrical fault, improper signal, or sensor failure. Left unaddressed, this issue can lead to reduced engine efficiency, higher fuel consumption, or permanent damage. Common causes include a faulty knock sensor, damaged wiring, poor connections, or a rare ECU malfunction. First, confirm the code using an OBD2 scanner. Then, inspect the wiring and connections for damage or corrosion. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's resistance, typically between 5K and 7K ohms. Replace faulty sensors and repair damaged wires using heat shrink tubing. After repairs, clear the code with an OBD2 scanner and test drive your car to ensure the problem is resolved. Regular maintenance can prevent these issues and keep your BMW running smoothly. Follow these steps, and you'll confidently fix P1385 like a pro.